Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an eBay seller account. So this is helpful if you want to start selling items online, reach more buyers, and manage your listings in one place. So the process is very simple, and I'll walk you through what to click and what to enter on each screen. So first, open up your browser and go to ebay.com. So once the home page loads, look at the top left of the screen. So in here, you'll see the sign in option, and right next to it, you'll also see register. So click on register to get started. Now you'll be on the page where eBay asks you to create an account. At the top, you can choose between personal and business. So pick the one that matches the type of account that you want to make. Then enter the required details such as your first name, last name, email address, and then password. And make sure the information is correct before going further. So once everything is filled in, click the create personal account button. You can also see other sign up options below like Google, Apple, and Facebook if that is easier for you. After your account is created, you can continue setting up your seller profile and start using eBay for selling. That is all you need to do to make an eBay seller account. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I will see you on the next video.